Yeah. Overrated, my music be motivating these hoes that wanna fuck till they turn into old ladies. And fake niggas that drop like show raiders in the shotgun. My arm is greater than Joe Namath, Bet I wash them soon as I come across some rappers that tough talk. When you touch them, you get a lawsuit. Keep a paid lawyer on deck, fuck what it costs you. Luck running out, get rabbit's foot or horseshoe. Keep them coming, my lyrics and keep gunning. I stay with a full clip as long as the streets want it. I ain't gotta say nothing like I was a mannequin. Second I stop is when the streets start panicking. Where the QB nigga, with all the weed at? Trying to be the best rap star, you don't believe that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Doghouse Radio.
Doghouse, yo.